In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in your Shopify store on desktop, plus some advanced CSS options if the basic settings don't cover what you need. We'll begin with the easiest route, using your theme's built-in settings. From your Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Themes. On your active theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. In the left sidebar, look for the Theme Settings gear icon and click it. Find the Colors section, or something similar depending on your theme. Here, you'll see Schemes. You can pick an existing color scheme, or, if your theme supports it, add a new scheme. Some themes allow up to 21 different schemes, which is great if you want different looks across sections. Within that scheme, locate the background color setting. Click the color swatch to open the picker, then choose a color you like, or type a precise hex or RGB value if you already have brand colors. If your theme offers a background gradient option, you can pick 2 or more colors and define a smooth gradient for a more dynamic look. When you're happy with the update, click Save. Keep in mind that themes apply color schemes to specific areas, so your change affects any sections using that scheme. If you don't see the result everywhere, it may be because other sections are assigned a different scheme. If your theme doesn't expose a background control or only lets you change certain sections, you can force a background color with custom CSS. From Shopify Admin, go to Online Store, Themes, click Actions, then Edit Code. Open your main CSS file. It might be named theme.css.liquid, base.css, theme.scss.liquid, or something similar depending on the theme. Scroll to the bottom and add a rule that sets the body element's background color. For example, set body to background color hash F5 F5 F5, swapping in your preferred color. This applies a site-wide background. If you want to target just one area, you'll need to inspect the page structure using your browser's developer tools and write a more specific selector. For instance, you could target a section with the ID Shopify section followed by its unique number and set its background color to white. Save your file when you're done. Finally, preview your store on desktop to confirm the change looks right across your pages. Choose colors with good contrast for readability and keep notes of what you changed so you can revert if needed. That's it. Either use theme settings for a quick, no-code update, or drop in a small CSS rule when you need more control.